chemist, Dr. Henrik Niels. Niels has been working out of an underground facility near Cape Town. Our operatives successfully applied a lethal poison to the target's morning tea, and now we need you to tidy things up. Infiltrate via the ventilation duct that feeds directly into Niels' laboratory. Dispose of the body and be discreet with any security staff you encounter. Leave no trace.
Now I look like a real scientist. Desoxymethyltestosterone. Scopolamine acts as a central nervous system depressant in the brain. The pipette is filled. Oh, whoa, look at him go. The pipette. This is used to feed the rat. He's out cold. I wish I slept that soundly. The pipette is filled. Hello?
Hey, Doc.
Notice anything suspicious lately?
I haven't seen Dr. Niels around. You know where he is?
Ah, yeah, he went home early. Headache.
Huh. He better not have released some flesh-eating virus.
I lost my security pass. Can you let me in?
Your researcher security pass doesn't get you in this door anyway.
Oh, well, could you let me in then?
Nope.
Is that coffee any good?
Delicious. It's a rare Kona blend.
Wow, really?
Of course not. It's store-brand garbage.
Is that coffee any good?
Delicious. It's a rare Kona blend.
Wow, really?
Of course not.
Talk to you later.
Yep.
Coffee? I poured it myself.
Sure, why not? Thanks.
The spiked coffee worked like a charm. The pipette is filled. The card opened the door. Perfect. That was all the leverage I needed. The aquarium is full of water again. The aquarium is full. The lampreys are excited enough. I should leave them alone. The lampreys are excited. I've added a little something to the lampreys' food. Take a load off, my friend. Dr. Niels is certified fish food. Time to do some tidying.
Creatively executed assets. We have confirmation that Dr. Niels sleeps with the lampreys. As you could tell by the nature of the man's work, his death was decidedly in everyone's best interest. Except his, of course.